Junkfoodtaster.com. Here we go, my little friends. It's time for Coca Cola. And I also got this one here. And this. So, what is this all about? So, here we go. This is a logbook. And in here, I can show something. So, this was a vote-in. What was the best review last week? And the review of Coca Cola Rosalia has won with 56%. So, we need a follow-up video. And I also asked, what should I do? And yeah, I think some of you have suggested the Coca Cola float. So, let's do it. And for ice cream, I'm using this here. This is from Lithuania, the Plombir Black. There were like also other suggestions. And if this video wins again, we do all these suggestions. What you can do with Coca-Cola. Hey. Oh, why are they bloated? Oh, they're under pressure. We have to check it out why it's under pressure. So I guess I'm taking 2 of them, should be enough. And the rest goes into the freezer. Okay. I also got like straws. And I need the glasses, don't I? Here we go, here come the glasses. And yeah, since I asked for help, the users which helped me out with this idea now should get some credit. And it was Master Nux and Mumfa who suggested the Coke float. Alrighty, so let's just do it. But first of all, I want to know why it's so much pressure in here. Look, can you see it? This looks like a puffer jacket. Okay. So, and here we got the vanilla ice cream in a little cup. This looks lovely. Already smells like blueberry, awesome. So, of course, I have a super fancy float. How could it be different? So, and I will, of course, then judge the recipe, whether it's worthy or whether it's just a stupid idea. So here comes vanilla Coke. I love it. With sugar, of course. And I guess I drink a swig. There we go. Yeah. Super smooth. Nice. Nice pleasant sugar. A little bit caramel. That's awesome. Yeah, really nice. And here we go. Cherry. Also very famous, of course. And I pour it into the bigger glass here. I haven't tried this one in a while. Okay, let's drink some. Yep. So this has like a little fruit flavor inside. Yeah. This little fruit flavor, and this is like smooth and nice and cool. It's far better than the cherry. Anyways. Now I guess I cut the ice cream and then I show you the straws and then we do the drop of the ice and see what happens and then a taste test and then a logbook. Okay, so here we go, ice cream. I eat something straight now. Yeah, this is a soft vanilla ice cream. I think this is soft cream, isn't it? I'm not quite sure. Oh, this has very deep. It's very deep and milky. Yeah. I don't know much about it. Should I look it up? I think it's like Soviet Union style ice cream. But I'm not sure who invented it and what. Okay, I always cut stuff. Must be like all around Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe food is like, I should review more, but I'm super lazy to do stuff from Eastern Europe. I did, oh, this looks awesome. The finish is this milk finish is like little buttery, creamy. This is such a nice ice cream. I wished I would not be lactose intolerant. Okay. Alrighty, so I don't want to talk complete trash, so I looked it up on Wikipedia, and there it says it's a French ice cream, and at the bottom it says, in the Soviet Union, Plombir became a popular dish that is still seen in the post-Soviet states today. Alrighty, good. So, I should hurry up, it's already melting. And yeah, here comes the straws. So I bought these straws. Plastic straws are illegal where I live in the European Union. So there was the small ones, very expensive. Then I was going to another shop and bought these ones. They are a little bit bigger. Okay. And now we do the floats finally. After there was so much not float related. Yeah. So, and I guess I will cut off again. I think I can just press it out. Let's try. Let's just try to press some of the vanilla in. Ah, wow. I think it should be not too much. So I cut off here a little bit. And there we go. Alrighty. And into the cherry as well. Yeah, I drop this into the cherry. And yeah. Now we have some sort of chemical reaction. And it's a really nice time for the thumbnail. I'm not quite sure how much it will develop. On the pictures I saw, it was like a very big cloud. Aha, so it gets a big cream on top. Okay, so I get the big straw and start drinking, I think. I'm a little bit distracted right now, I'm sorry. Here we go. Here we go, my beautiful friends. Thank you, European Union. So the first impression I had was the paper from the straw. I try another other straw. Oopsie. And now vanilla. Now I drink it without straw. This is very distracting. You want to eat the ice, and you try to eat the ice with your lips and your tongue out of the. It is not working because it floats away. Now I've got a. It's very milky. Okay, I have to think, my friends. This is not an easy call to rate it, but if I see this, I want to bite in and eat it. This is boring, and this is so interesting. Oh, let's eat it. Oh, this blueberry. This tastes so great. This is such an awesome ice cream. It stole the review. I was just getting here vanilla, and I was thinking, yeah, let's get this one. This is a little bit more fancy. This is not a little bit more fancy. This is awesome. Oh. The blueberry taste is on point. Really nice. I have to eat it up. Also, I'm lactose intolerant. I will get problems. My skin will itch tomorrow, but anyway. Okay. Alrighty, so last try a little bit. Okay. The problem is also, as you can see, the liquid comes over as this ice cream stays back and just the cola comes forth. So if I drink it up now, and after I removed the cola, I finally can eat the ice cream in a very ridiculous way. Of course, you terribly mess up your mouth. Have done a nice ice cream around your mouth. Oh, this was perfect, this ice cream. And yeah, so I prepared the logbook, my beautiful friends. Here we go. And I also made up my mind. I hope you are excited. Alrighty, so here we go. Good old pens. And I wrote everything down we had in this episode. I rate the Coca Cola Vanilla Win. I love this drink. Yeah. Then I rate the cherry draw because, yeah, it would always lose against vanilla. I don't know. It's a little bit simple, just a little cherry aroma. But yeah, it has a purpose, but I rate raw anyways. And now is a big moment. We're all here. So the recipe, let's call it cola float, I rate straight up fail. And I tell you why. So, first of all, so both ingredients had been great. In the other case, Coca-Cola cherry was great, and the ice cream was great. In combining it, combining these two great things did not produce something better, but like a worse product. So it looks super terrible. It's terrible to consume. What else? It looks like it looks like a recipe a 4-year-old made in the kitchen. Yeah, this looks not like a serious recipe you could sell in restaurants and stuff. I know that there are restaurants selling this kind of dish, but it's just ridiculous. Yeah, it's better to eat the ice cream separately and drink the cola separately and not put them together. Yeah, you get such a form, and then also consuming, like I told you, it's dysfunctional because the liquid, when you drink here, you always have the liquid in the mouth and the form stays inside, and after you consume the liquid, you can then eat the form. It doesn't make sense. Yeah. It's, I don't know. And maybe it is because it looks a little bit like a milkshake. Yeah, but I don't see a point. It doesn't make sense. But anyways, nice idea. So, yeah. Like, nice idea to do this video, I mean. And then the ice cream is, of course, a big win. Here we go. This was a very awesome ice cream. This blueberry flavor, so nice. So I'm marking the checkbox a little bit with the different ratings, and then we are finished for today. And yeah, this video will of course go into the voting regardless how many views it gets, because it's like the reigning champion, so to speak. And if this wins again, we have another Coca-Cola related episode next week, my friends. So thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow when I do the Super Mario special.